Hey, what's up guys? So today we have this light controller from Motion RC, and today we're going to unbox it and set it up. So we're going to see how well this light controller works on an RC airplane. So yeah, let's get started. First let's unbox it. First, I gave some stickers. And here's the light controller. Seems like a 2-pin connector only. Or is it? Oh, it's 3-pin connector. That's all we get. Let's unbox this controller. So yeah, here's the light controller. So here's where the 3 pins go. It's kind of like this. It just goes right in there. 3 pin, and this is where it connects to the receiver. So in here, I will just go and do a pause, and I will just go and set up things a bit. So you know what? Like, here's the thing that I've learned about this light controller is that, like, if you want to use this thing, you must have lights that are using all these JST style connectors, so then it will just go straightly plug in. But the thing that I did, so like at that time I didn't have that connector, so what I did, I just stripped out this little plastic thing that used to be there, and I just stripped it out, and then I just had the servo connection that was just going straightly plug in. It works, but the connection doesn't go fully in. So like in high flight, like when it's going to be in the air, the airplane just suffers any type of high G maneuver, so then the connector will just pop out, and it's not good. So yeah, my recommendation is that, like, before you buy this, make sure that you buy this also, because then you don't have to do this step that I did. So now the thing that I'm going to do is that I'm just going to go like put it into the airplane, into the FTC duct, and then we'll just see how good does this perform with the lights. So yeah, so like as you guys could see, I did install the light controller into the aircraft, and now you guys can see the flashing light that I installed, and also the landing gear light, and then the 2 wing lights that I've also installed on this airplane. And now it looks great. I think that this thing could be flown in the late evening when it gets a little dark, and I can like still keep visual sight of this aircraft. But yeah, overall this control is good. But you know, also I installed an off and on switch, which will turn off the lights when not in use. So like, let's say in the daytime, this light will be off, so like it will be off to save some battery life. But let's say on the evening, when I do need a better visual sight, let's go and turn on, and everything will be visible. So yeah, like stay tuned for the flight video I want to drop out of this airplane. Make sure to subscribe for that. But yeah, see you on the next one. Peace.